Tired of spending hours hunting down leads in Zoho CRM? Let's dive right into mastering lead search in Zoho CRM, saving you time and boosting your sales game. First, navigate to the Leads module, usually found in the top menu bar of your Zoho CRM interface. See that search bar at the top? That's your best friend. Click into it and type in any information you have about the lead: name, company, email address, phone number, anything that rings a bell. As you type, Zoho CRM starts displaying instant search results. This predictive search helps you narrow down your options quickly. For more specific searches, click on the advanced search icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or a funnel. This opens up a world of criteria: lead source, industry, sales stage, and even custom fields. Apply filters relevant to your needs. For example, if you're looking for leads that came through a specific web form, select lead source's web form. You can add multiple filters to refine your search even further. Hit the search button and voila, your results are displayed, perfectly matching your criteria. Click on any lead to access their detailed information, contact history, and sales activities. From here, you can update lead information, add notes, schedule follow-ups, and move the lead along your sales pipeline. Mastering lead search empowers you to manage your leads efficiently, close deals faster, and ultimately drive revenue. Happy selling.